Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to reset your service on your Dacia Duster. Let's have a seat at the driver's side. And then switch on the ignition. And then you can see there are, I think it is 4 lines on the top side and a car and of course a tool. If you are like to delete the service, it's really easy. Push on the lever on the right side so long as you reach your service. There it is. And then the only one what you are going to do is ignition on, step number 1. Step number 2, get into the mode of service. And then push on top of the lever on the right side the button until the service is reset. Job's done. Easy, isn't it? So that it is how to reset the service on your Dacia Duster. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. And here you can see service is deleted. Yeah, that it is. We do not have to go to the next garage. We can do or we can handle this by ourselves. So soon.